In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to install FH Group's custom fit seat covers on your 2022 Subaru Outback. Let's get started.
Backrest front. Move the car seat forward and set the backrest on decline. Remove headrest. Pull backrest cover over the car seat. Make sure headrest openings are aligned accordingly. Push the straps through the seat crevice. Fold the backrest forward. Unhook the latch underneath the car seat. Remove the seal from the hook and loop strap. Attach the hook and loop straps underneath the seat.
To install the bottom cover, position it on your car seat, ensuring it aligns with the seat's contour. Find the loop near the seatbelt holder, then pull it over the holder for a snug fit. Push the buckle straps through the seat crevice. Unseal the hook and loop straps near the seatbelt holder and tuck them into the side crevice of your car seat. Push the sponge bar into the seat side crevice. Make sure to tuck in any excess fabric. Place the buckle straps underneath the seat, positioning them to connect with the buckles you pass through the crevice, now located on the back side of the seat. Reach under the car seat and unhook the flap to release it. Pull down on the back buckles until extra fabric becomes visible, following the video as your guide. Then connect and securely tighten the straps under the seat. Reattach the flap you previously opened underneath your seat. Insert a key into the seatbelt button, press down, and gently pull the seatbelt out to release it. Unzip the 40 side cover, then slide it over your car seat. Unzip both sides of the cover and split the seat for a smoother installation. Cover positioned correctly, zip up the side of the 40 side section. Under the bottom seat, you'll find two latch switches. Pull them to release the seat, then lift it up and out. For a secure fit, unseal the hook and loop straps near the seat crevice. Push them through the crevice from the front side, then reach around and connect them to the back of the backrest. Flip the bottom of the cover, unseal the backrest cover, and secure the hook and loop fastener to the back of the seat. To start with the bottom seat cover, unbuckle all the buckles securing it. Place the bottom seat cover over the seat, carefully following the contour for a snug and accurate fit. Follow the video guide above, pass the straps underneath the bottom seat and connect each one to its corresponding buckle. Now connect the straps to their buckles and tighten for a secure fit. For the side straps, make sure to pass them through the side loop before connecting them to the buckle. Repeat this step on both sides to ensure an even and secure fit. Reinsert the bottom seat by pushing it inward while holding the seatbelt holder up to fit into its corresponding hole. Once the seatbelt holder is in place, pull out the seatbelt holders from the top of the seat, then push the bottom seat inward until it is securely connected. To install the bolster cover, start by moving the seatbelt out of the way. Unseal the hook and loop strips. Then place the cover over the bolster. Align it with the contours of your seat to ensure proper placement. Press the hook and loop onto your car's upholstery to secure it. Tuck any excess fabric into the crevice. Finally, push the soft bar into the seat crevice for a firm hold. Thanks for watching. Your Subaru Outback is now covered in comfort and style with FH Group's custom fit seat covers.